Hi, I'm Tanisha Kerr, Bronze Leader with Avon, and welcome to another Money Monday Motivation. Now, today I want to show you how to set up e-commerce in your Facebook and Instagram business pages. That way, when you post a photo of a product that is available in your online store, you can tag that product in your Facebook post or your Instagram post, and somebody can click it and be redirected to your e-store where they can immediately purchase that product. Okay, so just hang tight, and this is how you do it. So let's go ahead and open up your Facebook business page. This is my Facebook business page. And if you come over here on the left, on the far left, you will see this column that has all the different tabs that you are able to populate for your Facebook business page. So we have what's here that says shop. And if yours isn't showing up, don't worry. I can show you how to turn it on if you're not seeing shop in your list of tabs. Come back across the top menu bar. You're going to look for settings on the top right. So let's go into settings, and you're looking for templates and tabs. So let's open up templates and tabs. And here you will see all the different tabs that you are able to populate on that left menu bar. So if yours isn't turned on, you want to go here to settings and turn that on. If you don't see it in here, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says add a tab, and you want to click on that, and then you want to select store in here, and you want to add that tab. And each of these you can actually drag and reorder them as it works best for you. Then let's go back to our home page. So let's go back and go to shop. So I already have a few products populated in here, but I'm going to show you how to add one. So when it opens up, this is what you're going to see, and it will tell you add a product. So the product I want to add is the Avon Flourish, this new beautiful scent. So I copied the name of it because I'm going to need that name. And we want to go ahead and save that photo. So if you right click on the photo, you can click Save Image. And I have all of my Avon photos in one folder to make them easy to find, keep them organized. So we'll go ahead and let's grab that photo, beautiful photo. And the name of the product is, and you'll see that you have the option to add a product photo, or you can add a product video, and you can add multiple photos as well. Now, this product full price is $35. It is currently on sale for $20. And I also want to get my eStore link. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And note the price, $35 full price, $20 right now. So price is $35. Is this product on sale? Absolutely, yes, it is. It is now available for $20. And my URL, this is important, the checkout URL is going to be that link on your e-store, and it's asking me for a description. So let's go grab the description in here, copy that, and let's drop that right in here. And yes, I want to share that product on my page. So you want to turn that on. It is publicly visible. And that means that when I click add product, it is going to create a Facebook post for me as well. All right. And when that product gets added, it's going to say processing. And in a couple of minutes, it will show up. I think the only products I've had trouble with are the Aspira products. And I guess because those are food related products, those are the only products I've had difficulty adding to the e-store. So let's give that a couple of seconds and then refresh. And that should be done processing. So there it is in my e-store, in my Facebook shop, sorry, and linked to my e-store. So let's go back to home. And this is a really neat part because once I have added that to my shop, whether I'm in Facebook or Instagram, I now have the option to tag a product. So see where that pops up right here. And you will see it in Instagram as well. It will say tag a product. So yes, I want to tag a product. And when you click anywhere on that photo, then all the products that I have in my shop will pop up. And that's the one that I want to choose. That one and save. And let me just drop that product description in there again. And I want to post that to Facebook. So I've now created a Facebook post. There it is. And you will see now all the products that you have tagged to your Facebook shop will now have this shopping bag icon on them. And that will show up both in Facebook and on Instagram. And if somebody clicks it, it will open it up first in your shop so that they can see the details of it and they can share it or save it for later. And then when they click checkout on website, it will then take them to your e-store where they are able to make that purchase. And you are able to tag products on Instagram as well. If your Instagram page is connected to your Facebook business page, which it should, then you'll be able to connect your e-store to the products that you're posting on Facebook as well, Facebook and Instagram. And that is how you create e-commerce on your Facebook and Instagram business pages. Drop a comment and let me know how this has worked for you. And of course, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let me know if there's a particular topic you'd like me to create a training video on. I'd be happy to put that together for you. And as I always say, my absolute best to you.